One thing we normally do after we installed Windows 10 into our computer, we normally check if there are some hardware or drivers that needs to be installed into our computer. And sometimes Windows 10 offers an automatic update to hardware components into your PC. But there are some instances where the Windows update is not kicking in and there are some errors going on. I will show you an alternative way for you to update all your drivers into your computer. But before that, I'm going to show you where we can find hardwares installed in our computer and to check them if they are installed properly or even up to date. So we need to go to this PC and then right click and go to properties and then click on device manager. As simple as that. And you will see here the list of the hardware currently installed or available to your computer. And as you notice that there is another one here with triangle, yellow triangle with exclamation mark on it that says SM bus controller. This is something to do, if I'm not mistaken, with one of my hardware USB connected to my PC. It could be my camera, the Logitech, and the other one is like, I think this is just a China camera, but it does have a very good viewing angle. But anyway, so you will see here the security device has been installed, software component has been installed, and everything here. So sometimes, you know, Windows update will really gonna help you install all of them. But there are some instances where the hardware cannot be installed for some reason. Now, I will show you this time an alternative way and effective way for you to install them properly. Now I'm using the software called Driver Easy. This is a third-party software, okay, produced by a certain company, and I'm gonna share this to you. You can download this application from the description down below. Just check it. So this application is not for free, you have to purchase this, but I will be giving you the full version of this software. So once you open this file, you will see here a scan now. Okay, now if you click on scan, what will happen is this Driver Easy will automatically scan every hardware available into your computer, and it will try to analyze if there is a need for us to update the drivers in our computer. Now take note that before you run this application, make sure that you are connected to the internet. Otherwise, you won't be able to download the necessary update for your PC. So as far as I can see here, there are devices with outdated drivers. So meaning I have installed already the Logitech USB camera webcam C930E and Realtek high definition audio. So I've installed them already, but it looks like it needs to be updated. So it says here update. So now for me to do that, I can simply click on update all. But just to let you know that I have already installed my other drivers before, and it was installed using this Driver Easy application. So once you click on update all, what will happen here is it will ask you, this dialog box will open and it will say access denied. You will need to provide administration permissions to perform this action. So just click continue, click yes. So the software will gonna be rebooting itself, relaunching the application, and it will now gonna start installing everything into your computer. All you need to do is just sit down and relax and just wait for it to complete. And then it says here, congratulations, all drivers on your computers are up to date. Now I'm gonna show you, now we're done with that, I'm gonna show you how you actually install it. So let's go to the installer. So I have here the Easy Driver, this one, Driver Easy 2020. So this is the application that you are going to download from the description down below. So you will get Easy Driver set up. You just need to run it, install it, and then the license .dat. Okay, this file, you need to copy this and paste it to the directory to where the driver easy is installed into your computer. This one, this shortcut, and then open file location, and then there you have it. So easeware, okay, it's program file, easeware, and then driver easy. This is where you need to paste the license, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's how you update your drivers into your computer. And thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more video in the future. Bye bye.